In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice templates in Xero, making them perfect for your business needs. This process is essential for ensuring that your invoices reflect your brand and convey the professionalism your clients expect. Whether you want to adjust the layout, change the fonts, or add convenience with online payment options, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First, open up Xero and go to the main dashboard. From there, you'll want to direct your attention to the main menu on the left-hand side. Click on Sales, which will reveal a drop-down menu with various sales-related options. Within this drop-down, you'll find Sales Settings. Go ahead and click on that, and we'll move into the Detailed Settings Management area. Once you're in the Sales Settings, look for Invoice Settings. This is where the magic happens in terms of customizing your template. You'll see a variety of templates that may already be set up, depending on your current business dealings. Identify the specific invoice template you want to change. Right next to it, you'll find some options. Click on Options, and a further drop-down will appear. From here, select Edit. This will take you to the editing interface, where you can make the necessary modifications. Now, you're in the editing screen, and this is where you can really get into the specifics of customization. Start by considering what elements of the template you want to tweak. There's freedom to change the page size, which might be necessary for longer or shorter invoices, or when printing is required. Adjusting the margins can help you create more white space or fit more content, depending on your preference. And don't forget, fonts. A clear, professional font can make all the difference in readability. But it doesn't end there. You can further enhance the invoice by deciding which fields to show or hide. This can be particularly useful if certain information is unnecessary for your clients. Additionally, you might want to rename titles such as invoice to something that aligns more closely with your branding or industry jargon. For many businesses, a crucial part of customization is setting up online payment services. By enabling this, you make it easier for your customers to pay you promptly, a convenience that can significantly improve cash flow. Once you have everything set to your liking, remember to save your changes. There's a Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of this page, depending on your browser and settings within Xero. It's important to do this to ensure all your customizations are applied, and that your template is ready to use for future invoices. And that's all it takes to personalize your invoice templates in Xero. Following these steps will help you present a professional image and facilitate smoother transactions with your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!